Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can install OneDrive on Windows 10. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop. So as you can see guys, I'm right now using Windows 11. If you have Windows 11, OneDrive will be already installed on your computer. But if you have another version, just go ahead and follow the steps I'm going to show you. So the first thing you need to do guys is open any browser that you have. And then once you do that, go ahead and click on the search bar, then search for OneDrive. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these links. Here you're going to find personal cloud storage, Microsoft OneDrive, and Android, you're going to find download. Go ahead and click on download. And then this will take you directly to this page. Right here, you're going to find download OneDrive. If you have Windows 11, OneDrive is already installed on your PC. If you're using another version of Windows, install OneDrive to get started. Here you're going to find start OneDrive, and here you're going to find download. Go ahead and click on download, and then as you can see guys right here, OneDrive is downloading. So basically guys, once it finishes downloading, just click on it right here, and then you're going to be able to set it up. Once you finish setting up your OneDrive, you're going to find it right here in your File Explorer. So just go ahead and open File Explorer, and then you're going to be right here. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find Home, Gallery, and right here, you're going to find OneDrive. If you want to access the settings of OneDrive, right click on it, and then here, you're going to find OneDrive. Click on it. Here, you're going to find View Online, Settings, and Folder Color. Click on Settings, and then you're going to be here in this window. So right here, make sure you link this PC, and then you can go to Sync and Backup, and then enable syncing for your documents. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.